sabi mo nga.
Ngayong gabi na to, isa-surprise natin ang nag-iisang UNSTP coordinator ng Sikusat ROTC unit,
Yes,
Dr. Gaudencio N. Andaya Jr.
Happy birthday to you, Doc.
Dahil birthday at karawan niya ng October 1 at nandito siya ngayon sa DMST headquarters ng Sikusat ROTC unit. Ngayon ay sorpresahin natin siya. Kahit medyo belated na, nag-effort pa rin tayo para ibigay sa kanya tong munting handog natin sa kanyang pasasalamat.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much, my ROTC family of Sikusat. I wish you all good health and long life. Yung wish ko para sa sarili ko dapat nag-spread din sa inyo. So that you will live long and you will succeed. I know you have a lot of hardship and a lot of pain sa pinagdadaanan nyo and keep going. Because I know for the fact that sooner or later you will gather the fruits of your labor. I'd like to say thank you, of course, to Sir Lian Soriano, our former SBO officer, same as with Sir, your corps commander, Sir De La Peña. Sooner or later, you will be like them. So, take them as your inspiration. Lalo na rin kay Mr. Moral, na sooner or later, ilang buwan na lang, gagraduate na rin sila. To the second class and first class, just keep on holding your dreams. Because I know that maliit na lang yung oras at panahon. Patutungo rin kayo sa tugatog ng tagumpay. And thank you so much for always keep on loving me and accepting me for who I am despite of my gender. I love you all.
I love you, Doc.